plunging in the sea, man. There is no sea. All the water. This man is the Vice Peter walking on water out here. You got fish too? Yeah. There is no water in the sea, as you can see. This is where your boat would normally be. But now this is where I am. I am also, like Peter, walking on water. I hope it don't come back while I'm out here. Walked on the water, and I'm the third, even though there is no water where water should be. Fish here. I'm going to go back and get me a bucket. I am out in the sea now. That's the main land. That's the road that way. Wow, never seen this before. I see some sponge on the bottom. Wow. There is a sponge, you know sponge? There's a sponge. Is they coming back? My neck again. Unbelievable. Again, the Salt Pond Harbour. You see the vehicles? That's the road over there. I'm out to sea. 200 feet, 200 yards, 200, 300 yards. Whoa! Whoa! That's me. For my journey. Oh man! Sorry for the bad camera work. You can see I'm a novice to this. Ooh. There's the sea that way. Ramp where people launch their boats. So you can see the cars, that's where the ramp is, so we probably can see the ramp. And